It's very important. Be you. Happy and healthy is my goal. What's yours? It's not a black and white thing, y'all. I just love this shirt. It's one of the faves. I wear it often. And nutritional facts, 100%, baby. Everything. Anyway, did you know facts? Make sure you look this up. Check your facts. Okay? Anyway, thank you for watching. Green juice just does it for me. No added sugar, and I know my ingredient. Good morning, welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May and this is what we're doing today. Hey girl, hey. You all, I just made breakfast. I used the cactus nopales. So we are going to have some of that. I tried it and it's pretty good. You all can see what I cook with the bell peppers and all that. So if you're interested, stay tuned. This video is not gonna be long. We're just gonna eat, have a couple bites on camera, and then we're gonna end it, okay? Okay, beautiful people, so I picked up some cactus, some nopales, which is cactus, with some white onions and some red onions and some sea salt. I started cooking this and then I realized that I had overnight oats in the freezer, so I stopped. I did put some spinach in there, so then just cooked it all up, and like I said, I ended up eating my overnight oats because I didn't want to waste them. And so then the next morning I pulled them out. So I added some kale, because remember this is the next day. Some red bell pepper. So I'm gonna mix all that up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the cactus that I started yesterday, which is right here. I must say it was pretty good. Now I did pick up some pumpernickel bread because it's better nutrients, let's just say. It's a better bread. How about that? Look at that. No preservatives, kosher, it's high fiber, cholesterol free, natural ingredients, long shelf life, and it's also wheat free. So yeah. So then I had 2 eggs because, I want to get my protein in, I want to get my carbs before. Remember you all, this is not a diet. This is a lifestyle change that I'm trying to stick to, okay? When I'm at home, I want to be healthy. When I go out, I don't want to, just hold myself to where I just can't eat anything. But when I'm at home, I want to make better choices. When I go out, I will too as well. Anyway, so I just, cooked it all with the eggs. And it's just green eggs. It has the bell pepper. And the cactus was pretty good. I can't really give you all a flavor, but it was pretty good. At least to me it was. Just make sure you flavor it. And then I just put some cheese on my pumpernickel bread. And then, yeah. So let me let the video continue to play. Okay, so now that everything is done, I just did a quick video just to show you guys how I cooked everything prior to. This is my sandwich, which it looks pretty good to me. Bell pepper, spinach, kale. Y'all know I gotta have some green in there, and then some more green. So, and then I did put a little bit of cheese, getting all my protein in and trying to make sure that, my calorie intake is sufficient so my body doesn't, hold on to the weight because I'm not eating enough. All right, and we got 2 eggs. We got our green juice. So I made some yesterday. I made enough for 3 days. So I have some ice here. So we're gonna pour some of our green juice in another jar and have some of that, and it's so good. Yep, and we're drinking all that. All that. So, just like our vitamin. This is so good, oh my goodness. If you don't know, it's green apple, lime, ginger, pear, a little bit of bell pepper, some mint, kale, and Swiss chard. That's it. It's all right. It's green, green, green. I think it's a pumpernickel bread that's throwing me off, but there's protein in there and it's a healthier version of bread. Just being more purposeful with what I'm putting in my mouth. Not perfect. I'm sure I will have other things, but just trying to make better decisions as opposed to something that's not so good for me. Okay, well, you see half of the sandwich is gone. That's my last bite on camera. I'm gonna finish the rest off camera. It's been a successful morning with a healthy breakfast. I am 25 days in straight. It was a couple days, of course, before. No, it was about 2 weeks before because I had meal prep. But being completely healthy, 25 days. I'm on a roll. Anyway, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like anything you see, make sure that you hit the like button. Come back for more. Make sure that you subscribe. It's been real. It's been fun, but this girl is done. Bye, guys. Yes. Green juice just does it for me. No added sugar, and I know my ingredients.